Understanding CSS variables. CSS variables, also known as CSS custom properties, contain specific values to be reused throughout a document. They are set using custom property notation, e.g., main color, black. CSS variables can be used in other declarations using the var function. They improve the maintainability of your CSS code and reduce duplication. How to declare CSS variables. A CSS variable is declared in a property declaration, just like any other CSS property. The variable name must be preceded by 2 dashes, and the value can be any valid CSS value. Example, root main BG color, coral. Here, a variable named -main BG color is declared and assigned the value coral within the root pseudo class. Using CSS variables. To use a CSS variable, use the var function as the value of a property. The var function takes the name of the variable as its argument. Example, body, background color var main BG color. Here, the background color property of the body element is set to the value of the main BG color variable. Scope of CSS variables. The scope of CSS variables is determined by the selector where they are declared. If declared within a pseudo class like root, the variable is globally scoped and can be used anywhere in the document. If declared within a specific selector, the variable can only be used within that selector and its descendants. Tips and tricks: always declare your variables in a scope that makes sense. Use meaningful names for your variables to make your code more readable and maintainable. You can use fallback values in the var function in case the variable is not set by providing a second argument to the var function. For example, body, background color, var main, white. Common errors and how to avoid them. One common mistake is trying to use a CSS variable without first declaring it, resulting in the variable being treated as undefined. Always declare your variables before you use them. Another common error is not properly scoping variables. If a variable is declared within a specific selector, it won't be available outside of that selector.